So the other night I went into the local Lowe's, went in to buy some screwdriver bits, and while I was walking through Tool World, I spotted a box over to the side. And in it was these DeWalt 2 packs of 4.5 inch angle grinders. And they were like $99. And this is one of them things that, as a fabricator, creator, automotive enthusiast, if you will, car builder, whatever, I tend to go through these, not on a regular basis, but enough that I like to keep a spare around. And I was currently down to one, and I decided that I would go ahead and buy it because it was $99 for 2 of them, which that isn't bad. So they're usually about 69 bucks a piece, you know, in the store. They're a little cheaper online, but it was still a good deal. So I went ahead and bought a 2-pack of them. So let's break this thing open and see exactly what's in here. And it's just exactly that. It's a 2-pack of individually packaged little 4.5 inch angle grinders. So that works. I don't know why I just put my knife away. There. Okay. So what do we got? Instruction sheet. Handle, grinder, Allen wrench, and a blade. Cool. Alright. Let's see. It's got the little finger lock on top. And it's also got the quick release button in here to pivot the top if you're using it for a cutoff saw or cutoff wheel or whatever. That works. Oh, it's a quick spin. Okay. Even better. I like that. It's also got the safety lock on the paddle. I think they all have that now, but I've got some older ones that don't. Let's see. This is not a sponsored ad or sponsored video. It's just something I found a good deal on and bought them, and I thought I'd share it. And there's where the Allen wrench goes. Okay, there it is. It's all ready to go. Now I know a lot of people like the battery power ones now, and they're great and everything, and I like those too. But for around the shop, when I'm going to be using it all day, I find the ones with the cord to be quite handy. Let's see. And she's working and ready to go. Balance is good. And we'll put the handle on this side of this one. I think I'm going to leave the handle off on the other one. This one I'll put the handle, I can take it on and off as I need it. Huh. And there's the lock trigger for the trigger lock. But there you go. Ready for many years of useful service. So, that's all I had for today. Just a quick unboxing of something I found a good deal on. Thought I'd share it. These things are useful for so many things. You put a flap wheel on them. You can use them for fish mouth and roll bar tube. Any other kind of tubing you're working with. Cleaning rust off of stuff. Put a cut-off blade in it. Use it for cutting your steel. They're just a really handy little tool to have. And like I say, I go through them infrequently, but they get dirt and grit in them. It sucks it in and it eats the bearings and the brushes up in them. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed it, at least found it entertaining and informational. Until next time, practice your skills, turn them into craftsmanship, see how far it can take you. So, have a great day. This is Fab Race Mod Repeat.